Okay, OMG, people. I moved the refrigerator. Oh my god. That is one of the worst ones I've seen. Looks like milk. Looks like someone spilled an entire quart of milk on the floor and didn't make sure to clean it. And then of course look at all the dirt that's clogged inside the, wow. Okay. I got this. Yeah. Like, wow. I can't believe that people are so... I have like a new vacuum, which after it's been to all these jobs, I'm like, okay, I'll never take this vacuum anywhere else but deep cleaning. So now, we're going to label that sucker deep clean vacuum. Can you believe that? I mean, I've seen a lot of things, people. But this is like a sight to behold right here. The wall. It's crazy. Okay, people, just don't do this to your home. Don't do this to other people's homes. I mean, you do live here during that period of time. Like, look at the dust on the wall. I mean, that's like not unusual to see dust on the wall. And it's also not unusual for people to spill things under the sink or under the fridge and never clean that. That's not unusual. But now you know that that is not a good idea. So I'll tell you, yes, I'm vacuuming the wall. I vacuum walls all the time. Yeah. So we're gonna scrape. Some scraping. Like, there are just some things you do not leave for people. Like, I mean, this house has been purchased by a new homeowner, and imagine their faces. Like, this place is not an old house. Like, this is a new house, and I just feel like nobody, like, they probably spent $500,000 on this place. I'm gonna say for sure. Like, the neighborhood is really nice. We're actually in the south end, right across from the Walmart. So, like, we're on Gateway. And this is a really great neighborhood. Your south end, your taxes are super high. Obviously, the price of houses are also high. So it's like, they likely didn't get a special deal because the house was dirty. But I mean, nobody wants that. Like, I'm doing my best here to make sure that these folks have something that's not super gross to move into. But I mean, holy cow, people. It's gross. A little bit gross, huh? That is something else. I have never. It's been so long since I've seen anybody leave a mess like that. And that like makes a bad smell. And I hate bad smells. Okay. Here we go. Even like this little guy. The hair in that. Here we are, back again. Thank you for the birthday wishes, you guys. This is the only time that you'll ever really see me, because I worked so much. I mean, or like maybe a birthday party that I've been either planned or I've done for someone else, or yeah. I'm just gonna try to clean that up so it's not ooey ooey. I can honestly say that, like, I wish I had time to do like a perfect job of this, but there's just no way. And of course, normally we would do a perfect job of it, but I feel like I have to say that that's just not what's on the menu. Someone selling the house just doesn't want to spend that kind of money, although she's getting a lot of really nice job done in certain areas, like the kitchen and the bathrooms, because that's what I wanted. That's the whole reason why I wanted to come here. So I could film some of this art in motion, because that's what I like to call cleaning something that's that dirty, art in motion. Okay, better. I mean, not perfect, but better. Okay. It goes back. The fridge is really light though. That's nice. You know, I thought it would be fun to invite my friends to my birthday party. This is my birthday party. I said, oh, you know what, I'm going to clean this really dirty house because that's a treat for me. To film everything, try to sell it. I'll do it for myself. Use it on social media on my own desire. We're going to check the fridge. We're going to check the fridge and see how the Goo-Gone worked out for us. Don't feel like it's done very much. Oh. Oh, we're moving. Even the goo gum's like, I don't know what this is. That's not goo. That's like, what is that? And I'm telling you people, I've removed, like, Coca-Cola has got to be the worst thing that you can leave to dry up and get super sticky. Because it just, like, I don't know what this is, but it's like, it's not quite sticky. It's not quite, it's just really, I don't know. It's definitely left its mark here. I would say that too. So it's definitely left its mark here. And you know what? I can't even film that because it's not even coming off. So I do so many jobs like this, and I would say this is probably the first time that a stain in a fridge has somehow defeated me in some way. I can honestly say, like, okay, I'm not impressed. I don't think I'm getting that off. Tell you what though, I am proud of myself for being so committed today to doing something that I probably really just over-planned in my mind that it would go much better than this. But I mean, nothing better in life than reality, right? So the reality is that this is not going to come off. Are you guys seeing that? Like what? Okay. Wow. People. Okay. If like anybody has advice on how to get that off, I would love to hear it. I would love to hear it. I might have to leave this baby soaking, but I got that all cleaned up pretty good. Leave this soaking for the other crew to come in because I feel like I don't want to clean anymore today. Whew. That is a lot. That is a lot in a short period of time. All right. Okay. I'm going to say goodbye for now because I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm not sure at all what I'm going to do next, but I'm going to try to figure out a solution for the fridge, a solution for my entire day, and a solution for the rest of my week. So yeah, maybe join me at my office a little while. I'm sitting there looking at my schedule wondering, what do I do now?